Tenestulin, Al-Shalamti. Teachers, students, mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, everyone, you're listening to the kind voice of Dr. Yates, the grass mathologist, inventor of the simple, easy, fun way of learning math called Grassmatics.com. I made a promise, or I made a covenant, an agreement with you, the viewers, that I will show you the simple way of doing Grassmatics 151, they call in English 151, times table. The numbers are 151 times 12, 151 times 24, 151 times 32, 151 times 68, 151 times 76, 151 times 84, 151 times 98. These are the numbers we are going to be multiplying on this day. First, I want you to keep in mind that there is a video titled Personality and Character of Numbers. What's it titled? Personality and Character of Numbers. If you have not received that video, or you have not ordered it, you can do so and learn about the personality and character of numbers. By learning about the personality and character of numbers, it would help you to do times table way above 12 times 12. That's what most of us were taught in the British and American schools. On this day, since we are learning the 151 times table, which is 151, you are going to see how I apply the personality and character of the numbers. Let's look at 151 times 12, or 151 times 12. Here's how you do that in the Grassmatics program. First, the number 1, which is to the far right, actually to the immediate right of the 5, we will take that 1 and we'll multiply it by 1, 2, they call 12. Why? Because the character of 1 is single. So we say we have a single 1, 2 or single 12. So 1 times 12, they taught me in the British school, would be 12. Same thing in American schools. I went to both British and American schools. So they say 1 times 12 is 12. So we put the 1, 2, they call 12, to the far right. That would be the ending numbers to the answer. Now we need to find 2 more numbers now to the left of the 1, 2 to fill in. Because we need a 4-digit answer. So what we do is this. Now we go to the 5 and we ask the question, what is the character of 5? According to yours truly, Dr. Yates, the character of 5 would be half, H-A-L-F. That's how we pronounce that word, half. In English, they say half. In Ethiopia, Amharic or Amharic, they say gamash. Gamash. So we're finding now the half of the 1, 2, they call 12. And the half of 12 would be 6. You will now add that 6 to the 12 and you get 1/8. So we'll fill it in right in the question marks there. And our answer will be 151 times 12 equal 1812. That's how we do it in the Grassmatics program. It's that simple. That being seen here on this program, let's do the other numbers. 15 times 24. What are we going to do? Yes, we're going to take the 24 and put it to the far right, because 1 times 24 equals 24. And then we're going to find the half of the 24, they call 24, and that would be 1, 2, they call 12. We're going to add the 1, 2 now to the 2, 4, and what do we get? we'll get 3, 6. And so we'll get 3, 6 to 4. That's how we get that. 151 times 6, 8. The answer ending in 6, 8. The half of 6, 8 will be 3, 4. When I add the 3, 4 to the 6, 8, I get 102. I now include that with my answer, 10268. Do you see the pattern here? Well, I guess you can do the rest, the remainder here, which is 151 times 7, 6, 151 times 8, 4, 151 times 9, 8. You try it now and see if you're getting the same answer or based on what you're taught in school. Try the Grassmatic way. See which one is faster and easier. And you email me and let me know. Now, some of you, after doing this, you say, wow, this is cool. However, I notice all your numbers here, Dr. Yates, are even numbers. You're multiplying by 151. What if they were odd numbers? That's a very good question. Good perceptional, I would say that's a perceptional question. One of the principles of Grassmatic is perception. You perceive that. So I'll say this to you. In the next episode, I will show you how to do the 151 times odd numbers. As for now, you work with the even, and then I'll show you to do the 151. So look for it on YouTube. If you do not see it on YouTube, you can write to me, and I'll be more than happy to share that information to you and others who would like to learn. This is the kind voice of Dr. Yates saying thank you so much for viewing Grassmatic 151 times table. Shalom TL.